Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Class 2, slot number 2, and the subjects are English, Science and Social Studies. Subject English, lesson number 3, Androcles and the Lion. Reading book page number 30, 31, 32, 37 and 38. And the workbook pages are 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, Androcles and the Lion. Starter. Students, here are some animals and below them pictures of the places where you usually find them. Draw a line from each animal to the place where you can find it. We join the polar bear with eyes, eagle with sky, and the fish with water, and we join the monkey with the tree, and we join the tiger with the forest. Now student, this is very interesting story, so let's start the story. Androcles was a slave mean a person who worked for others. The master was very bad. He beat him and made him work day and night. Androcles ran away into the desert. Desert mean a barren area, a place with little water. Okay, he ran and ran. The sand and the stones hurt his feet. He was very tired. Tired mean fed up. He went to sleep in a cave. Cave mean a big hole. Suddenly he heard a lion roar. Roar mean sound of lion. He was afraid. Then he saw the lion. It came near him and roared again. Androcles was very afraid. The lion helped up its paw mean foot of animal, and roared loudly. Androcles looked at the lion's paw. A thorn mean a sharp part of plant, was stuck in it. Androcles gently mean softly, pulled out the thorn. The lion licked his face. After some days, some man came to the desert and caught Androcles. They took him back to the town. They put him in a cage where we keep the animals. There was a lion in the cage. It roared loudly. Androcles was afraid. The lion came The lion came and licked his face. It was his friend, the lion from the desert. Androcles and the lion sat down together in the cage. All the people saw this. They shouted, "Set Androcles free. He's a good man. Even the lion is his friend." So बच्चों, ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी थी जो कि हमने पढ़ी, जिसमें एंड्रोक्लिस जो है वो एक स्लेव होता है, एक नौकर होता है, और उसका जो मास्टर है वो बहुत बुरा इंसान होता है, उस पर बहुत जुल्म करता है. एक दिन एंड्रोक्लिस वहाँ से भाग जाता है और वो एक डेजर्ट पे चला जाता है और वहाँ पर एक केव में छुप जाता है. और वहाँ पर एक लॉयन होता है और उसके पाँव में एक कांटा छुपा होता है. वो पहले तो डरता है उस लॉयन से, लेकिन फिर बाद में वो उसका कांटा निकाल देता है. सो वो लॉयन और एंड्रोक्लिस जो होते हैं वो एक दूसरे के फ्रेंड बन जाते हैं. कुछ दिन बाद वहाँ पर आदमी आते हैं टाउन से और वो उसको एंड्रोक्लिस को पकड़कर ले जाते हैं और एक केज में डाल देते हैं. और सारे जो लोग होते हैं वहाँ पर इकट्ठे होते हैं और फिर एक बड़ा सा लायन जो है वो उसके केज में लाकर डाला जाता है. लोग समझते हैं कि ये उसको खा लेगा वो लायन, लेकिन वो लायन जो होता है वो उसका पाँव लिक करना शुरू कर देता है, चाटना शुरू कर देता है. तो जिससे लोग कहते हैं कि ये एंड्रोक्लिस तो बहुत ही अच्छा आदमी है, कि उसके तो लॉयन भी जो है वो भी उसका फ्रेंड है. सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी. सो नाउ we read learn to read 1. Underline the correct words or phrase to complete the sentences. The first one has been done for you. Line number 1. Androcles worked for a very good or bad man? Student, here are the two options. One is right and the other is wrong. So we underline the bad. Number two, he ran away into the desert or cave. So we underline the word desert. He slept in a cage or cave. We underline the word cave. The lion had a nail or thorn in its paw. We underline the word thorn. Line number 5. Some men caught Androcles and took him into the town or desert. So we underline the word town. Number 6. The lion in the cage and the lion in the cave were the same or different. The same. Learn to speak, page number 37. Look at the riddles below. The answers to the riddles are given in a jumbled form on the next page. Match the riddles with the answers, then work in pairs and take turns to ask each other the riddles. Have fun. Okay, स्टूडेंट्स ये एक पहेली है और इसके आंसर्स जो हैं वो नेक्स्ट पेज के ऊपर रिटन हैं. सो हम पहले इसको रिडल को रीड आउट करेंगे और उसके बाद हम इसके आंसर उसमें से सर्च करेंगे. Number 1. There is a house whose walls are white and which has no door or window, but we can still get in and steal the golden ball inside. What is it? G. And the right answer of this riddle is option D, which is on next page, an egg. So we write here the option D. Riddle number 2 is what's as big as an elephant but doesn't weigh as much. So the answer of this riddle is option E. It's shadow. So we write here E. Number 3. What is hairy and cuffs? And the right answer of this riddle is option A. A coconut with a cold. Number 4. Why did the chicken cross the road? And the right answer of this riddle is option number B. Because it saw a zebra crossing. Riddle number 5. Why did the sparrow fly into the library? And the right answer of this riddle is option number C. It was looking for bookworms. So we write here the option C. And the last, number 6. How do you know that grass is good for eyesight? And the right answer of this riddle is option number F. Have you ever seen a cow wearing a glasses? Reading book, page number 38. Student, here are the answers of that riddles. Here we will start the work of workbook, page number 5, unit number 3, Androcles and the lion. Match the words with exact meaning. The first word is slave. We match the word slave with the picture of slave. And the next word is desert. We match the word desert with the picture of desert. And the cave, we match the word cave with the picture of cave. And the second last word is thorn, so we match the word thorn with the picture of thorn. And the last word is lion roar, so we match the lion roar with the lion picture. Workbook, page number 6, unit number 3. Search for and circle the hidden words. Student, here you can see the different words and below you can see the word box. हमने word box में जो word लिखे हैं वो choose करके वो ऊपर वाले words में उनको search करना है और उस पर circle करना है. So here you can see the first word master in the first row. M-A-S-T-E-R, master. So we circle the word master. And the second word is haired. So we circle the word haired in the second line. And in the second line also there is another word which is hurt. And the third line, we circle the word pull. And the fourth line, we circle the word afraid. And after this, we circle the word paw. And the next word is slave. And we circle the word Androcles. And then we circle the word desert. After this, we circle the word thorn. And after this, we circle the word licked. And the last one is beat. Now make sentences. Afraid. He is afraid of his father. And the next word is thorn. Every rose has its thorn. Workbook, page number 7, unit number 3. Circle the correct answer. Line number 1. Where did Androcles run after he escaped? Here you can see the 4 option और हमने एक जो right option है उसको circle करना है. And the right answer is a desert. So we circle the word a desert. Line number 2 is, why did not the lion eat Androcles when they first met? And the right answer is, the lion's paw was hurt. Line number 3 is, why was Androcles put in a cage? And the answer is, he was a runaway slave. Line number 4 is, what did the man think would happen with Androcles? And the right answer is, the lion would kill Androcles. Line number 5 is, what is the theme of the story? The theme of the story is kindness. So we circle the word kindness. Label the lion's paw with claw and toes. So here you can see the picture of lion paw. So we label this paw. The first line we write here the nails, and the second word is toe, and the third word is claw. Workbook, page number 8. Answer the following questions. Who was Androcles? The answer of this question is, Androcles was a slave. Question number 2 is, how did Androcles help the lion? Androcles helped the lion by pulling out thorn from lion's paw. Question number 3 is, what character traits does Androcles have? Circle them. यानी कि एंड्रोक्लस के करेक्टर में क्या क्या आपने क्वालिटीज़ थी जो कि आपने फाइंड आउट की. जी, वी सर्कल द वर्ड काइंड, ब्रेव, नाइस एंड फ्रेंडली. Question number 4 is, what would you do if you were in the cave with the injured lion? The answer of this question is, if I would be there, I must have helped the lion like Androcles. Subject Science, unit number 2, and the name of the lesson is Health and Safety. Reading book, page number 8 to 13. Workbook, page number 12 to 16. Reading book, page number 8, unit number 2, Health and Safety. The body machine. Students, you know, our body is work like a machine. You can say that our body is a machine. So, जिस तरह से स्टूडेंट्स हम अपनी मशीन की लुक आफ्टर करते हैं, इन द सेम वे, बिल्कुल इसी तरह से हम लुक आफ्टर करते हैं अपनी बॉडी की. अगर हम अपनी बॉडी की लुक आफ्टर नहीं करेंगे तो जिस तरह एक मशीन ख़राब हो जाती है, इसी तरह से हमारी बॉडी भी यूज़लेस हो जाएगी, ख़राब हो जाएगी, आउट ऑफ ऑर्डर हो जाएगी. सो वी शुड लुक आफ्टर आवर बॉडी like a machine. So let's start the lesson. The body machine. Your body is like an amazing machine. It does different jobs. A car is a machine and need to be looked after so that it can run. Student, here you can see a picture of car. Car is a machine. So जिस तरह से हम कार की लुक आफ्टर करते हैं, उसमें पेट्रोल डालते हैं, उसकी क्लीनिंग करते हैं, in the same way we look after our body. A car needs cleaning. A car needs engine oil. A car also needs petrol. A car's tire need air. Your body is also a machine that needs to be looked after. Reading book, page number 9. Your muscles need food and exercise to work. They will get strong. Strong mean powerful. If you eat healthy food, do not eat too much junk food. So हमें यहाँ पर बुक में हम ये पढ़े हैं कि हमें हेल्दी फूड खानी चाहिए, ना कि जंक फूड. जंक फूड मीन cold drinks, burger, shawarma, these types of things called junk food. So we should avoid junk food and we should eat healthy food. How you can look after your body? हम अपनी बॉडी की कैसे look after कर सकते हैं, कैसे देखभाल कर सकते हैं? There are many ways to look after your body. Keep your body clean. Your body needs exercise. This will keep all your body parts working properly. Reading book, page number 10. Eat healthy food that gives you the energy to work and play. Your body needs different types of food. The food you eat should include eggs, meat, milk, rice or bread, fruit and vegetables. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of clean water a day. Get plenty of fresh air. Make sure you get lots of rest and sleep. जी स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर वो हमें बता रहे हैं कि हमें हेल्दी फूड खानी चाहिए और हर तरह की फूड खानी चाहिए, जिसमें एग्स भी शामिल होने चाहिए, दूध, गोश्त, फ्रूट, vegetables, bread, each and everything we should be taken. So इसके बाद वो बता रहे हैं कि हमें 6 से 8 ग्लास डेली पानी के पीने चाहिए और साथ में हमें सोना भी चाहिए. टाइम पे सोएं और टाइम पे उठें. Reading book, page number 11. Staying safe. We need to look after ourselves by taking care of our bodies and staying safe. Here is some useful advice. These rules will help to keep you healthy and safe. Animals. Never tease animals or worry them. यानी कभी भी हमें जानवरों को तंग नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये हमारे लिए हार्मफुल हो सकता है. वो हमें काट सकते हैं, बाइट कर सकते हैं. Remember that frightened animals can scratch, kick or bite. Plants. Do not eat the berries, fruits or nuts from plants you do not know. Some are poison. They can make you ill. जी इसमें वो बता रहे हैं कि हमें हर तरह के फ्रूट्स या नट्स जो हैं वो प्लांट से तोड़कर नहीं खा लेने चाहिए, क्योंकि हो सकता है कि वो जहरीले हों, हमारे लिए अच्छे ना हों. सो वी शुड बी केयरफुल. वाटर. डू नॉट प्ले नियर वाटर. नेवर स्विम अलोन. नेवर स्विम इमीडिएटली आफ्टर अ मील. इमीडिएटली मीन विदाउट डिले, एट वंस. सो हमें कभी भी पानी के नज़दीक जाकर नहीं खेलना चाहिए और कभी भी अकेले स्विमिंग नहीं करनी चाहिए और खाने के फ़ौरन बाद भी स्विमिंग नहीं करनी चाहिए. रीडिंग बुक, पेज नंबर 12. फूड. वॉश योर हैंड्स बिफोर ईटिंग एनीथिंग. Eat slowly. Chew food Well, do not eat food left open and uncovered for a long time. हमें खाने से पहले और खाने के बाद में हाथ ज़रूर धोने हैं और किसी भी खाने वाली चीज़ को खुला नहीं छोड़ना. Okay, the next topic is machines. Use machines and tools with care. Never run with them or play with them. Sound. Never shout into someone's ear. Do not put beads or sharp objects into your ears. Do not use headphones too often. हमें किसी के कान के पास जाकर शाउट नहीं करना चाहिए, ऊंची आवाज़ में नहीं बोलना चाहिए. इससे जो हमारे कान के सेल्स होते हैं वो वीक हो जाते हैं या डैमेज हो जाते हैं. सो वी शुड बी केयरफुल. हेल्थ, हीट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. Electric current can harm you, so never play with electrical equipment or wires. Do not poke things into electric sockets or touch bare wires. Stay away from things which are very hot. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट जो कि बहुत फ़ायदेमंद भी है, लेकिन अगर हम उसको ठीक तरह यूज़ नहीं करेंगे तो वो हमारे लिए हार्मफुल भी हो सकता है. सो हमें कभी भी इलेक्ट्रिक थिंग्स के साथ खेलना नहीं चाहिए. सो द नेक्स्ट एंड द लास्ट इज़ लाइट. नेवर लुक डायरेक्टली एट द सन or other bright lights. Never reflect sunlight with a mirror into anyone's eyes. Do not spend too much time in the sun shine. Reading book, page number 13. Safety at home. Do not climb on furniture or play rough games in the house. Never leave things laying around on the floor. हमें कभी भी फर्नीचर पर बुरी तरह से नहीं चढ़ना चाहिए और कोई जंपिंग गेम्स लाइक दिस, इस तरह की गेम्स जो हैं वो नहीं करनी चाहिए. इससे हम लोगों को नुकसान पहुंच सकता है. और इसके अलावा जब हम खेलें तो हम अपने टॉयज़ जब फैलाते हैं तो हमें खेलने के बाद अपने सारे टॉयज़ समेट के अपनी कबर्ड में भी रखने हैं ताकि उनके ऊपर से कोई स्लिप ना हो, कोई गिरे ना और किसी को नुकसान ना पहुंचे. Thank you. Workbook, page number 12, unit number 2, health and safety. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1 is, which of these are ways to look after your body? Student, here you can see the different 4 options. Here is the one option is right and the threes are wrong. So we decided the right one. So option number D is right, all of these. So tick option number D. Line number 2 is, which of these is not safe? Okay, tick option number A, running with scissors. Line number 3, we should not eat berries from plants we do not know because they might, option number A, be poisons. Question number 4. Which of these is not a healthy food? Option number D is right, French fries. Okay, why should we follow rules? Tick the option B, they keep us safe. Workbook, page number 13. Question number 2, fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Number 1, to stay healthy, we must not eat too much junk food. Junk. Number 2, we should drink dash glasses of clean water. So we write here 6 to 8. Number 3, regular exercise make us dash. So we write here strong. Number 4, fruits and vegetables are dash food. So we write here the word healthy. B, answer these questions. Question number 1, why should we not tease animals? Because frightened animals can scratch, kick or bite. Question number 2 is, Why is it important to wash our hands before eating? And the answer of this question is because it makes us healthy. Workbook page number 14. C. Looking after your body. Right below, how do you look after your body? One has been done for you. Okay. The first is teeth. Brush the teeth twice a day. दिन में 2 दफ़ा दांतों को ब्रश करें. Hair. I comb my hair daily. Nails. I clip my nails every Friday. Body. I keep my body clean. Sleep. I go to bed early. Hands. I wash my hands before eating. Workbook page number 15. Keeping yourself safe. Circle the pictures that show dangerous activity and tick the healthy activities. Students, here you can see the different pictures. Some pictures are dangerous activities and some are healthy activities. So we circle the dangerous activities. So we circle the picture number 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. These are the dangerous activities, and we take on picture number 1, 5, 8 and 9. Workbook page number 16. Why are they dangerous? Write how these objects are dangerous. Needle. It can pierce us. Matchbox. It can burn us. Glass. It can injure us. Pills and tablets. Wrong medicines make us ill. Scissors. It can cut us. Subject Social Studies, lesson number 2, and the title of this lesson is My Family. Reading book page number 5 and 6, and workbook pages are 7 to 10. Reading book page number 5, lesson number 2, My Family. I live in a house with my family. A family comprises mean consist of, यानी कि शामिल हैं इसमें. A family comprises of father, mother, brother or sister. Father and mothers both are parents. Brothers and sisters are siblings. Siblings mean bhai behan. There are two family systems, single unit family system and the second is joint family system. Reading book page number 6, single unit family system. The family system in which parents live with their child is called single unit family system. Joint family system. The family system in which two or more single unit families live together is called joint family system. In joint family system, grandfather, grandmother, father and mother, brothers and sisters, uncles, aunts and cousins all live together. Let's look into my family. Grandfather, then grandmother, father, mother, son and daughter, uncle, aunt, son और daughter. सिंगल यूनिट फैमिली सिस्टम स्टूडेंट्स वो होता है जिसमें आप लोग अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ रहते हैं, एंड जॉइंट फैमिली सिस्टम वो होता है जिसमें आप के दादा दादी, फादर मदर, चचा चची, कज़न सब आप लोग मिल के रहते हैं. उसको जॉइंट फैमिली सिस्टम कहा जाता है. ओके. Grandfather and grandmother loves me. They tell me interesting stories. My father works for us. My mother does housework. I feel happy at home. I respect the elders and love my brother and sister. Being a family means we share our happiness, we also share our problems. Workbook page number 7, My Family. Match the relationships or joint family. Father's father. We match with the grandfather. Fathers के father आपके क्या लगते हैं? Grandfather. Father's wife यानी कि आपके father की बीवी. We match with mother. Mother's sister. We match with aunt. Father's mother. We match with grandmother. Mother's husband. We match with father. Workbook page number 8. Question number 2. Choose the correct answer according to the content of lesson. The family system in which parents live with their children is called, yes, the right option is single unit family system. So we write here the single unit family system. Number 2 is brothers and sisters are dash. भाई बहन क्या होते हैं? Yes, we write here siblings. I feel dash at home. I feel happy at home. And the last one is father's brother is dash. Father के भाई जो होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं आपके? Yes, we write here uncle. Answer the questions. Question number 1. There are two different types of family system. Name them according to your understanding. Okay. Single unit family system and joint family system. Question number 2 is who tells you stories at home? आपको घर में कौन स्टोरी सुनाता है? The answer is of this question is my grandfather and grandmother tell me stories at home. Workbook page number 9. Suppose your grandmother is ill and the doctor has advised you to check her temperature twice in a day. How many times will you check her temperature in 2 days altogether? इस क्वेश्चन में वो आपको कह रहे हैं कि अगर आपकी ग्रैंड मदर सिक हैं, बीमार हैं और डॉक्टर ने एडवाइस किया है कि आपने दिन में 3 दफ़ा उनका टेम्परेचर चेक करना है, तो 2 दिनों में आप कितनी बार उनका टेम्परेचर जो है वो चेक कर लेंगे? यस, द राइट आंसर इज 6 टाइम्स. सो वी राइट हियर द 6 टाइम्स. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज विच इंस्ट्रूमेंट विल यू यूज टू मेजर हर टेम्परेचर? वो कौन सा इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, टूल है जिससे हम टेम्परेचर को मेजर करते हैं? यस, द आंसर इज थर्मोमीटर. थर्मोमीटर. Reading book page number 5. Lesson number 2, My Family. I live in a house with my family. A family comprises mean consist of यानी कि शामिल हैं इसमें. A family comprises of father, mother, brother or sister. Father and mothers both are parents. Brothers and sisters are siblings. Siblings mean bhai behan. There are two family systems, single unit family system and the second is joint family system. The lion came and licked his face. It was his friend, the lion from the desert. Androcles and the lion